So I was walking around the garden and I was so happy. Yesterday I was out here watering and look, there's a tomato. There's a tomato that's even bigger. And there's some stuff down there. Not sure what it is yet, but it made me happy. And there's some stuff, and I think those are beets and something else. And then apple mint, and then look, what I really wanted, the cilantro. Then we have some lettuce. There's some more cilantro. I hope this is like the full grown cilantro, because I have like micro cilantro that I planted too, that I threw around. And then there's some more lettuce right there, it looks like. And that's the strawberry. And those, I realized the red right there, those are most likely beets. We have flowers, that's about to bloom. And then those are beets. I'm gonna let those get a little bit bigger, then spread those out. And look at how big that mint's gotten. And then you can see strawberries in here. And there's some over there. I guess those are the baby strawberries. I can tell with the smaller leaves like that, those are smaller strawberries. But look at all that mint and how that mint's grown. And look at these strawberries. And I was turning this around, and then I found a tomato. Because I guess that's where I planted a tomato. And then there's kale. And I think that's a tomato too, right there, that's been eaten a little. And back there, I think that's a beet. And that, I don't know what that is yet. I think it could be parsley. Or it could turn into cilantro, but I think it's parsley. I'm not sure yet. And then the kale that I cut down is growing back. And then that parsley. And then we have some beets right there. Some beets over there. I guess the beets are harder to kill when I water, because other stuff didn't come back. But look over there, you see like that little leaf starting to pop up, and that's going to be something big and pretty. And then I think that's arugula and beets in there. Look at all that mint popping up in this green stalk. I'll get around to turning that one day. And then even this green stalk I'm not planning on eating out of looks great. And all that mint and strawberries. Oh, and look at the flowers right there. There was another flower, but I knocked it off when I was watering, because it was something I was trying to figure out what it was, but I watered it too hard with the water and it broke off. But there's going to be more blooms on there. And then I turned around the arugula that went to seed, and I decided to just let it stay because it looks nice. And then that strawberry over there is doing good. We have to turn that green stalk around to see what else is in there. And that cabbage, or whatever that is, still doing really good. And then that strawberry we found on that side. And there's another strawberry. That strawberry looked really good. And we have parsley down there. Look at the flowers. And over here we have one bean surviving. Ooh. Oh, that's a bee. Yeah. So the garden is looking great. And I just watered yesterday. And I think it's going to be cooler. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I'm going to go inside and end this. Bye.